Starting with the sort of anchor type thing, progressing to the which, where are we? Can't remember what I've done.
Is that it? Is that all you know?
There must be some more than that.
What about
Head, face, top,
You're just calling me these names now, aren't you, to get away with it?
Hello, Codger Biker here. And for an experiment, I decided to use Teapot One's splitter system to feed the audio from my headset into the GoPro mixed with my microphone. There's the headset. So it's quite messy. You can see I've had to gaffer tape half the cables to the side. So what we've got is a breakout cable which goes one side to the microphone in the helmet and the other side goes through an attenuator and another splitter cable into the headphones of the headset, so it feeds the audio from the earphones down the line through an attenuator at line level and mixes it with the microphone inside my helmet to give you two people riding's audio. Now, the idea wasn't mine, it's Teapot One's. See the video above. This is how it worked out, just a quick one. Very complicated because I also decided to do some Bluetooth recording, but that's for another video. So let's see how it worked out.
Okay, good morning, Codger Biker here, and it's a blustery old December day, but we're out and it's dry, and I've got Dr. John in my head, haven't I, John? Well, he's a bit far behind me, but I think he's practicing his swear words. What swear words do you know? Charming.
how's that?
He only knows 3 swear words. That's but one's so learned. Hey, John.
Yes.
Why doesn't Hannibal Lecter eat clowns?
I don't know. Why doesn't Hannibal Lecter eat clowns?
Because they taste funny.
What's brown and sticky?
Well, I do know, but are you going to say a stick or are you going to say something else?
A stick.
Oh, is it?
One of my favourite jokes.
Well, it is pretty much defined in the question. Hey, John. The other night I went down the chip shop and I said to the lady behind the counter, I think she was a lady, I mean I don't want to assume any gender.
Careful.
She seemed like a lady. I said fish and chips twice please, and she said, listen, I heard you the first time. But
I purchased on Amazon the other day a video of twisted wrist tweak.
what's that?
Which is very...
It's not about masturbation, is it?
It's something like that, yeah.
That's going in! That's going in! Do you know any more jokes?
They ever asked me for a joke? I can't remember a damn thing.
I've got one. John.
Go on. Ryan.
How many tickles does it take to make an octopus laugh?
I don't know. How many tickles does it take to make an octopus laugh?
Well, have a guess. What would you think?
8.
No, 10 tickles. I'm here all week. I've got a Christmas one for you.
Go on then.
The boys hate this because I say it every Christmas. Why doesn't Darth Vader says to Luke Skywalker at Christmas, why do you never open your parcels that I get you? And Luke says, I don't need to because I can feel your presence.
Okay, it's not a joke, but what's the difference between a stoat and a weasel?
I don't know.
A stoat is totally different, but a weasel is weaselly recognised.
Oh, that's bad. Oh, 30 miles an hour.
Wrong way round that. It should be a weasel's recognised, but a stoat is totally.
Well, you can't modify once you've said it.
I know, but I mean, you know, I'm an old man now.
That's no excuse.
I'm lucky if I remember.
I went to see Ken Dodd when he was in his late 80s, and he did a 5-hour show and wouldn't go off the stage, still cracking jokes in Llandudno.
Happiness, happiness.
Oh, that's what I meant to ask you. Here's a conversation for you. We can record a little bit of it. What do you think, as an engineer and an astrophysicist, about the Congress hearings in America at the moment, where they are trying to get Congress to investigate what they now call this week, it's not UFOs anymore, they are now called unidentified anomalous phenomenon. Try saying that. Unidentified anomalous phenomenon. It sounds like the guy off Rowan Atkinson should be saying that.
Yeah.
Unidentified anomalous phenomenon. So what do you think about that then? Because David Grohl says that they've got spaceships, he's been in them, and he wants it all out in the open, and he's telling everybody because they're going to kill him otherwise.
Oh, good for him.
No, do you think there's anything in it?
Well, the fact is that there are definitely unidentified flying objects, or anomalous, whatever you want.
Anomalous phenomenon. Yeah.
Is that they are
Rock.
Unidentified. Whoa! I'll have a grip there.
I said that. Rock. I wasn't talking about dancing. I said rock.
But well, I nearly hit the damn thing. Right.
But do you think that in Area 51 they've got spaceships and alien bodies? Because I do. I've been there, so I know.
That's obvious.
Didn't you notice last night that there was bright light in the street? We normally go down there.
Oh, yeah.
We normally go down that
it
one.
Could have been anything.
No, it's the mothership. I'm going to go left here.
There's no credible evidence that it's to do with.
Or is there?
Alien intelligence. That's the problem.
Well, that's what they want you to think, though. You know, I think it's real.
Why?
I'm not joking. I'm hoping that it's real. I don't mean it's necessarily aliens, but something's going on.
Left or right?
Left. Yeah, I know, but he was looking at me as he pulled out, looking right at me.
It's not that you're not visible. You are pretty damn visible.
He was actually looking straight at me. That's what got me, because I thought, what are you looking at as you pull out straight in front of me?
Happened to be on the sprint. Precisely that dual carriageway.
Yeah.
And he looked at me, and I looked at him, and then he pulled out. I went straight over. There's nothing I could do.
That's why people can't see UFOs. It's the same thing. Okay, right, so we've done some talking, haven't we? Right, we've told some great jokes, some crackers there. Do you know any more jokes?
No.
Okay, so that's tested out as far as I can tell. Our headset communication recording. The headsets aren't brilliant, but they work for us, and what you're hearing hopefully is what I'm hearing, so you can know what I have to put up with. And on that note, going round the roundabouts, Codger Biker is out. You know that gear lever you've got?
Can get nicked, you know.
It was an accident. My sat-nav went wrong. I love that roundabout because there's never anybody on it.